So on this side, the last thing we did was the oil filter. Things are looking pretty happy over here. So I still got the gravity tank there, and it's feeding the fuel pump now. So this has been full of fuel down here for a while, and it seems to be hanging in. So that's a win. On the oil filter, I got a little bit of a drip right here. So something in that needs to get tightened up a little bit. On coolant, we seem to be really good. This thing has been sitting here full of coolant and has not leaked out of anywhere. So I think I have to take this carburetor back off here. I'm going to adjust the flow. I don't have a manual. This is one of the things I don't have a manual for. It's a Marvel carburetor. And they're out there. I just haven't been able to get my hands on one yet. So I've just been kind of winging this thing as I've gone along. You little shit. See how she's looking good. So if I remember right, I think I can get this off without taking the bowl away from the throttle body, but we'll see here. Check out that for an adjustment setup. Oh, ain't that a pencil stretcher? Pop that float pin out. I don't really care about taking the bottom half of it apart. I just don't want to. I don't feel like remaking gaskets right now. But if we gotta, we gotta. Okay. I don't know if you remember this. It's a cork gasket. I mean, obviously we're still cleaning there because, well, why wouldn't we be? This here, I turned that a little bit. I cleaned it up with a piece of sandpaper on the drill. Here's your float setup. When I was first trying to start the car, I had gas flowing out the front of the carb. Yeah, it just turned out it was just, the choke sucks a ton of fuel out. So if it doesn't fire, you just got fuel dripping out the front. So updraft carburetor. Something else right there. There's when they used to make cork like cork. Not like this newfangled cork that falls apart. Urgh. Doesn't even look like I moved it, does it? No, I bent it the wrong way that time, so, well, still not great. Let's see if I can do this without taking everything apart. Which would be nice. You get it like that. And you go in there with one of these. You know what? No. Thank you. please. Thank you. All right, there's that. And we throw these screws back in. It's still looking good in there. All right, we'll see if that works. Still got the original gasket too. We gotta fix those connectors. I'm gonna loosen up this guy a turn, 3/4 of a turn. Oh my god, again I'm doing the thing with no gas in it. What the hell's wrong with me? Do all the stupid shit. How's that view? Yeah, probably not the greatest, but it'll work. Oh man, you stink. Look at all that stuff burning off. It just really needs the spiders blown out of it. Yeah. I think these things are just juicy in general. Under the cover valve, cover under the, beneath it, check. And the bottom of the valve cover is wet. So I think what I'm going to do is try it again. Bumped up the idle a little bit right here. And I was looking at this whole thing, and it's like, this is the most complicated throttle linkage setup. I mean, there's things everywhere. It goes back into here, and then it goes down to a rod right there, and it goes to the gas pedal, and then it goes up to the steering wheel, and then it goes down to an automatic clutch vacuum thing. I don't even know if you can see it all. Yeah, that happening there. Back here, we got all that.
All the Buick fans out there?